In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create a to-do list using Google Keep. Google Keep is a versatile note-taking app that helps you organize your tasks, ideas, and reminders all in one place with absolute ease. Whether you're planning your daily chores or jotting down some ideas for your next big project, Google Keep can become your go-to digital notebook. First, let's head over to Google Keep. You can access it by opening your web browser and typing in keepgoogle.com into the address bar. If you're already logged into your Google account, you'll be directed straight to the Keep homepage, which is your canvas for organization. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you'll notice is a very user-friendly interface with a simple design. It's intentionally minimalist to make it easier to focus on capturing your notes and lists. On the page, you'll see an option labeled New List, usually located prominently on the interface with an icon that probably looks like a small checkbox signaling its purpose. This is where the magic happens. Now let's dive into creating your actual to-do list. Simply click on the New List option and a fresh, untitled list will pop up. The first thing you'll want to do is give your list a title right there at the top. It could be anything: grocery shopping, weekend chores, or even project ideas. A title helps in instantly identifying what your list is about, especially when you have multiple lists. Below the title, you'll find an empty space to add your list items. Start typing each task you want to include. When you press enter after each task, it automatically moves to the next line, letting you swiftly continue with your list creation without a hitch. Google Keep intuitively adds a checkbox next to each item, turning it into an interactive list. As you make progress throughout your day or week, you can check off tasks as you complete them. Simply click inside the checkbox next to each task. This gives a sense of accomplishment and helps in visually tracking what you've done and what's left. By the end of creating your list, you should have a handy checklist of tasks ready to go. Now your Google Keep to-do list is all set up and ready to help you stay organized and productive. You've just seen how straightforward and efficient creating a to-do list in Google Keep can be. Whether you're using this tool on the web or in its mobile app form, the process is just as seamless. I hope this guide helps. Thank you for tuning in and following along with this tutorial on Google Keep. By keeping your tasks organized online, you're sure to make strides in managing your time more effectively. Until next time, happy organizing.